Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You know, every single heartbeat is a precious gift, keeping us vibrant and alive. But what happens if those vital lifelines, our arteries, get blocked and blood can't even reach the heart? It's a serious challenge, but thankfully, modern medicine offers incredible solutions. Today, we're taking a closer look at something truly remarkable: bypass surgery. Imagine those essential coronary arteries becoming clogged, slowing down that crucial blood flow. That's where bypass surgery steps in, like a superhero creating a brand new, clear path for blood to flow freely again. In this incredible procedure, skilled surgeons carefully take a healthy vein or artery from another part of the body and skillfully connect it, essentially building a detour around the blocked section. It's like rerouting traffic around a congested road, ensuring everything keeps moving smoothly. This ingenious technique restores that vital blood supply, giving the heart a powerful second chance at health and strength. It's truly amazing how a procedure like this can transform lives, allowing people to wake up feeling renewed and ready to embrace life with a healthier heart. It's how bypass surgery saves countless lives every single day. Thanks so much for watching and learning with us. If you found this insightful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating medical facts and health insights. We appreciate your support.